Hi, do you know that this word and this word are pronounced differently? The letter L in this word and the letter L in this word are pronounced differently. Now, listen to me. This word is pronounced as Kelmer, Kelmer, not coma. Okay? It takes L sound. Kelmer. Kelmer is a state of unconsciousness, whereas this word is pronounced as comer. Comer. The letter L takes O sound. Comer. It is the punctuation mark used to indicate a set of parts of a sentence or between elements of a list. So it is Kelmer and comma. I hope you learned something.